Wendy, and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I changed my hair from boring black to popping purple. So if you are interested, definitely stay tuned for this. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join this beautiful family. We've hit 500 subscribers, and thank you so much for all 500 of you guys. I love and appreciate all of you. I thank you so much for your support up until now. Let's get us to 1K subscribers. Woo! My hair with Kanto coconut cream. This makes my hair very manageable and also retains the moisture in the hair. Next, I section my hair in 4 parts with hair clips. This allows me to take the hair in sections without having my hair all over the place. I twist my hair with the coconut curling cream. Then I use the hair paint wax for the tips. This would create an ombre illusion, giving it a luxurious purple look. Guys, can you see what I'm seeing? The curls in the hair is popping. My twist in a bantu knot to give it great curling definitions at the end. So I did same for all, twist and bantu knot. Guys, we are finally done with the bantu knot. I cover my hair with my satin bun. It prevents the hair from being all over the place, and it also prevents the hair from breaking. Since I had this bantu knot in, and I'm about to unravel it to show you guys how it all looked, so stay tuned. As you can see, it's like some of the dye has left the hair, but we'll definitely reapply some of the hair paint as we go. So I'm just here just unraveling my bantu knot. use the hair paint wax. It's quite unfortunate that I can't focus this, but I'll just write it in the description box. I use the hair paint wax to change the color of my hair, and with this hair paint wax, if you are done, you can just wash it off and you are good to go. It doesn't stay in your hair for weeks, months. Okay, so it's just a once-off thing and you're done. So if you've ever wanted to dye your hair any color, this is your chance to try this out and know which color works better for your skin. Also, there are some pros and cons of this hair paint wax. Okay, so one of the pros is that it's not a bleach, so it's quite friendly on your hair, and it is just a wax. Okay, so it's a hair wax, so it's like a gel. It's a little bit like a gel. Okay, so it's not too dangerous or too harmful to your hair like a bleach would to your hair. So is that it's quite affordable. It doesn't even stain. It doesn't even stain your hair. It can only stain your maybe your attire or something, but whenever you wash it off, you are good to go. Guys, I am so sorry because there's some construction going on in the next house, so if you hear any, please forgive me. It's the construction that's going on in the house. The hair paint wax, it's here that they've written a temporary water-based hair coloring solution for those who want to try a new color every day of the week. Easy to apply and wash out. Offers a strong hold with no damage to the hair. Best used on curly texture. Color may vary from person to person depending on texture and current hair color. So that's what we are using now. What I like about it is the fact that you can switch to red, purple. You just all you have to do is to just wash it out and then you are good to go. And I want to try the red or the blonde next time, so let me know which one I should try. Is it the red or is it the blonde? So comment in the comment section which color I should try next. So then, drink water and mind your business. We are done. If this video was interesting, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and share with all your friends. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Adios.